Okay, so besties, let's talk about it because guess what? Your bestie, I'm disappointed in some of you, especially the OGs that have been following me for some time now. This was a test and you guys failed. Huh? Yeah, you failed. Let's get into it. First, we are going to go over the Pochette Metis, okay? A lot of you guys were saying, no, it reminds me of a grandma handbag like this come in here. Guess what? Just call me a grandma. I'm 42. I'm almost there anyway. But anyways, I absolutely love this. I told you guys back in 2023 that this design is going to be discontinued. You guys pay attention. Remember when I told you about the bum bag, guys? It's slowly but surely will be a truth, okay? So hold on to it. And not only that, this is the part that gets me. And some of you besties, OGs that have been around with me for 5 years now, I started in 2020, you should know this. Let's talk about it. Okay, now that I'm calmed down, besties, you should know me. Why would I get rid of a reverse monogram handbag that comes with black leather, no vachetta? Why would anyone want to get rid of a handbag that comes with a reverse monogram strap? You tell me. Out of all the years that LV have released a reverse monogram handbag, what handbag came with a reverse monogram strap? They sell reverse monogram straps online. Not like this, guys. Look, adjustable, detachable, meaning it can go on other handbags. No. If you sell this bag, the strap goes with it. That's a no-no. Moving along, you have the classic monogram print. Yes, it comes with a vachetta. It looks absolutely amazing once the patina sets in. But again, the monogram strap. You cannot go and find this strap on the website. And this strap can go with so many other handbags in your collection. Guys, these are classics. These are actually OG handbags that we need in our collection. So hold on to them. Once they're discontinued, don't come saying Marquita told me so. I'm telling you now, hold on to these two handbags. Please. Okay, so now let's move on to the Passy. And let's not forget how much room is inside. Let's get into it. Guys, look. It's just so much room inside. The two compartments here. The back compartment. So that's basically 3 compartments. The front, the middle, and the back. And it comes with the back zipper as well. I mean, come on. Come on. Come on. I mean, do we agree? Do we agree? Now let's move on. Now that I am calmed down again, let's talk about one of my favorite handbags in my collection, which is the Passy handbag. A lot of you guys don't agree, but this honestly is a masterpiece. A masterpiece that is now discontinued. So for all of you guys that were searching, putting it in your cart, taking it out of your cart, buying other things, and let this slip away, I know you feel absolutely just hurt inside, as you should, because guys, you don't sleep on the Passy handbag. Very unique, very different. I have no issues with the strap. I'm 5'4". I can carry it as a crossbody. I can carry it as a shoulder bag. I can carry it as a longer toe bag. I have no problem with this LV symbol right here, smack dead in the middle. To me, it's absolutely amazing. I love everything about the Passy. The beautiful inside. Oh my goodness, this color. I love the different compartments. And as you guys can see, I still have the plastic on my gold hardware as well. I try to keep this as new as possible. This is such a beautiful handbag, guys. Don't sleep on it at all. If you do find it in the pre-loved market, I say go for it. In the back, as you guys can see, it comes with a pocket. It is not a zipper compartment, but it is very snug, guys, okay? Look at the different compartments. Ooh, this color is so beautiful inside. You have your front compartment. You have the middle. You have a zipper compartment. and also a back compartment here, guys. So that is like 4 different spaces, guys. It holds so much. Now for my tall divas, a lot of you guys complain about the strap. I can totally understand it, but this is just absolutely beautiful. The black leather trimming, no vachetta, the gold hardware. I love everything about it, guys. So again, I don't know what the problem was. I don't know. Maybe you guys felt as if you were really helping. Some of you knew. Some of you knew me, and I appreciate that. And the comments were just so funny. I had to see who's the real OGs and who's been around and who really understands. So guys, let me know how you feel. If you have these handbags in your collection, if you sold these handbags, let me know why. But again, this was all fun, guys. Peace and blessings until next video, because I have one more we need to go over. Bye-bye.